In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Creative Cloud libraries inside Photoshop/Illustrator. If you've ever wished your logos, color themes, and graphics were always at your fingertips, Creative Cloud libraries are built for exactly that. They act like a smart shelf that follows you from app to app, so you can stay consistent and work faster without hunting for files. First, let's open the Libraries panel. In both Photoshop and Illustrator, go up to the Window menu at the top of your screen. Choose Libraries, or in some versions, CC Libraries. That's it. This reveals the panel. You can dock it to the side with your other panels or let it float. Either way works. Once it's open, you'll see your libraries arranged by name, along with thumbnails of assets you've saved in the past, like graphics, icons, color swatches, or text styles. If your panel looks a little empty, don't worry. The key here is simply knowing where to find it and how to use it once it's open. Now for the fun part, dragging assets into your document. With the Libraries panel visible, just click an item and drag it straight into your Photoshop canvas or your Illustrator artboard. Release the mouse, and the asset appears right where you drop it. This is as simple as it sounds. No extra dialog boxes or complicated settings. In Photoshop, graphics from libraries typically come in as smart objects, which means they stay crisp when you resize and are easy to update. In Illustrator, they behave like placed graphics, snapping into your layout cleanly. Either way, you can position and scale your asset just like anything else in your design. One of the advantages of using libraries is consistency. If that logo or brand element in your library changes later, library-aware placements can reflect the update, helping you keep everything aligned across projects. And because you're dragging directly from a centralized panel, you reduce the risk of outdated files or missing links. If the panel doesn't appear when you expect it, check that you're viewing the correct workspace and make sure you're signed in to Creative Cloud. Also, if your libraries take a moment to load, that can be normal on a slow connection. Give it a second. That's all there is to it. Open the Libraries panel from the Window menu, then drag and drop assets right into Photoshop or Illustrator. With this simple workflow, you'll speed up your process, keep your designs consistent, and spend more time creating and less time searching.